When you watch a video on YouTube, you know exactly how big the channel is because you can see how many subscribers they've got. But what about their social media influence on the rest of the internet? Well, stay tuned because we've got a brand new tool that'll help you find that out. Hello everyone, my name is Rob. Welcome to vidIQ, the YouTube tool and channel that aims to help you get more views in less time. And before we jump into this tool that we're going to show you today, we're always welcome to hear your suggestions on brand new tools for vidIQ, so let us know in the comments below. In the meantime though, we've put a funky new free tool together that will help you find out just how big a YouTuber is on the rest of the internet. Let's take a look. The vidIQ video scorecard has always been the crown jewel in our tool set, pulling out metrics for every single video on YouTube. And now we've added to it yet again. Scroll down to the social section and it will show you how many followers or likes a YouTube channel has on their Twitter, Instagram and Facebook pages. As you can see, we're not doing too badly on Facebook and Twitter, but we probably need to up our Instagram game. To visit any of these alternative social media platforms, simply click on the number and it will take you directly there. Now you're probably asking how we do this, and the answer is pretty simple. Any self-respecting YouTuber will add all of their social media links to their channel banner, and this is done through the About section of your YouTube channel. So if it's there, we can show you their reach on these three major social media platforms. While it's always fun to spy on data from the big channels, knowing a YouTube channel's overall social media reach tells you where a brand is strongest and weakest. That could give you an opportunity to collaborate if you can help spread their message where you are strong but they are weak. Oh, and I'm not sure if we mentioned this, we might as well be giving away money. This tool is absolutely free. And now I've got to pick all this up. As always, we'd love to hear your thoughts on this brand new tool, and if you are completely new to vidIQ, we are the YouTube tool and service that aims to help you get more views in less time. The Chrome extension that you've seen in this video is free to download, a link is in the description, and while you're at it, click on our subscription button and notification bell to make sure you don't miss any of our fantastic content. Enjoy the rest of your video making day, bye for now.